So winning the Luminary Award for mentorship had a lot of personal meaning to me. It's really an honor to be listed as someone there, and that someone took the time to nominate me for it. Really is great, especially for mentorship, because it's really tough doing this because you will often have a lot of interaction with someone. You'll work on a problem with them. You'll try your best to teach them some skills. Then they go off and you hope everything goes well, but you don't always know the impact of your interactions and your work with the people that you've been mentoring and working with. We've gotten to a place where digital tools are such a contributor, unfortunately, to burnout. So death by 1,000 paper cuts is now death by 1,000 clicks. So it's really essential for our own wellness, our quality of life, our balance of life, and efficient practices that lead to good patient care, that we really understand how to use our digital tools properly and efficiently. Ontario MD has been incredibly helpful for my own adoption and efficiency with digital tools. I think of myself as being pretty tech savvy, and I still remember my first meeting with Ontario MD staff and how I was blown away by all the things that I didn't know. They were incredibly helpful in terms of learning to use the current system, as well as what options there were for additional systems, and then how to make them all work together well. And then as I've evolved into the role, they've given me confidence to try new things, push some of the boundaries of what can be done, and really refocus on patient care, and then finding more quality of life for myself and my staff and my clinic. Tip for my colleagues would be to try to find some time at a regular interval, whether it be an hour every couple weeks or once a month, where you do nothing but focus on your digital workflows and try to make those better, whether that be by working in a different way, learning to use your technology differently, or trying to incorporate a new technology. It's hard to find that time otherwise, but it's really important to make that part of your regular routine so you're getting the most out of your tools. And if you don't know how to make the most out of your tools, then ask and try to get connected with someone like Ontario MD and their staff who can help you figure it out together.